So Magic, you've traded XRP for a while now. It's one of those things where you've always said, I don't care what the asset is. If I see a setup, if I see an opportunity, I'm going to take it. I'm going to make some money. So please tell me that you're either did make some money on XRP, or that you've got some sort of a game plan or something that you're looking for to enter or exit, I guess, a trade.
I've been gig along on XRP for a minute. There's only been a few positions that I've been holding. XRP long, even though I sit there and I rile up the community. I love to do that. But I always said, I've been saying since I went on Investing Bros and your show for the last 6 to 8 months that I'm long on XRP, looking for this specific setup here. So I don't care what happens in the lawsuit. Makes no difference to me. We were looking for 29 cents to 37 cents initially. Okay. We got our entry, a retest. Now you're just looking for the back test of this. It was a bullish bat pattern, and this is technically the B leg right here. So you're looking for that downwards wick and then the closure here on like a weekly. Sometimes you can use the daily if it's a smaller time frame pattern. What's really beautiful about this is if you measured the time of this, I believe I've got a fun folder somewhere. There we go. If you measured the timing of this, right, this is almost an exact one-to-one from the X to the A position to the C to the D. So it took almost identical in time. And then if you look out here, here we are at the 2-to-1, meaning that 1-to-1, same amount of time expires. We're now getting our breakout. So that was your next major pivot date outside of this one right here at the 1.5 back in December, which ended up being a nice low. So yeah, this was a good one. I took an additional long as well. And when I say that, what I mean by is I added leverage to spot holdings, as I'm not a huge alt leverage trader, especially when I'm be holding the position for 6 to 8 months. So I believe it was 45.5 cents on XRP, and I took profit at 87 cents, mainly just looking for this B leg right here. Yeah. And then I'll be looking for the next one up here to fill this box out. Now, if you were to go out to like a quarterly chart, just to take a look at where the inflection points might actually be at, high time frame wise, you can see that you have not closed a quarterly candle above what we just ran into. So if you were to look at this on the weekly one more time and see this section of price, you can see that after coming back to it very quickly, bouncing off of this level, forming your double top here, you then tried to regard this as support until eventually turning it into resistance. So this is a big area to get back above. And you do need to be aware that I believe the overall POC of all price action is actually $1.09 according to ATAS. Yeah, $1.926. So yeah, if you can get above this level and flip it, I think that Frankie's got a good target there. I believe that's also pretty close to your local, or not local, but your global golden pocket at that time. Yeah, pretty close to that 128 level. And then after that, I really kind of just, you know, if there's no real rejection found, you look up to 157. But this is a take profit for me. I'm not, you know, one of those people that's going to show you guys a lot of Moonboy targets. I'm just going to give you the next areas of interest. And I think that this is a good place that if you were long, you know, you're up quite a bit on this investment. That's a 300% gain. So, you know,
and what he's talking about, for those of you that he's talking about on a trade, obviously, or on leverage spot holdings, saying, hey, this is an opportunity.
Deleveraging spot for sure. But yeah, I mean, otherwise, yeah, it's business as usual. I've been waiting on this one. So this does feel good. I'm sure the rest of the crypto space is enjoying it even more because they're all very into the, you know, if the SEC is going to win against crypto or not. But for me, no doubt, it's all about just paying the bills. Who cares?